Alright, here's how to resize photo for Instagram post in Canva. First of all, just download Canva app in your smartphone. If you don't have it, just go on Play Store and App Store and download it from there. Now after opening, you will see this interface. Just click on search templates and here search Instagram. Click on search, and as you can see, Canva is showing a different type of Instagram formats. This is a vertical one and this is a square one. So if you want to change your photo format from vertical to square, just click on this format, and if you change it from square to vertical, just click on this format. I'm going to select vertical format. As you can see, now you can use this image, but I'm going to delete it and add a new one. So just click on the image, and here at the bottom you can see delete option. Just delete, and at the bottom just slide to the right and you will see this option upload. Just click on it, and here click on upload files. Upload a desired photo from here. I'm going with this one, and here just fit this photo in the format like this. Now after that, if you want to download it, just click on this upload option on top right, and here click on download, and this photo will be downloaded to your gallery. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.